to win our jackpot of £2,500. Well, congratulations, Elaine and Denise. You fought off all the competition and you have won our coveted pointless trophy, so very well done. Very good. You now have a chance to win our pointless jackpot. At the end of today's show, the jackpot stands at £2,500. There it is. Now, the rules are very simple. To win that money, all you have to do is find a